Not getting enough Never Too Small? Want to take this friendship to the next level? Join us at patreon.com/nevertoosmall.
The apartment is located in Kolonaki in Athens. Our clients were looking to match the 70s style of the building and incorporate the past history of this apartment.
The apartment is used by a Turkish couple. They were looking for a fully equipped apartment that would combine functionality with coziness and style. As the apartment only has one window and one balcony door, the main challenge was to bring light in as deep into the apartment as possible. Kolonaki is a downtown Athenian quarter that is very close to the city center. The character of the neighborhood on the street level is filled with lots of high-end shops, art galleries, bistro cafes and delicatessens.
The building was built in the mid-70s. It was primarily designed as a residential building with commercial use on the ground floor. Today, the upper levels are of mixed use, residential and law firms, while the ground floor is occupied by an antique store. During the 90s, this apartment was used as a studio by a well-known artist. Right before the renovation took place, it was used as an office for a small public publishing house. It was more of an open-plan space, divided only by glass frames, a small WC, and a lot of built-in shelves all around.
The hydraulic supplies couldn't be moved, so we had to plan the composition starting from that point. Other than that, the apartment's floor plan was completely changed. A kitchen, a bedroom, and a fully equipped bathroom were added, together with a dining and living area. The main design idea was to create an open-plan space that offers adequately divided yet not closed rooms.
Through the use of translucent frames and mirrors, we were able to bring in as much natural light as possible. As we enter the apartment, a round column appears to organize the open space by creating flow. We designed a custom bronze lighting for the column, which also serves a visual and a practical element to the apartment. There is an area for the client to hang their coats and a cupboard for shoes. Next to it is a storage wardrobe with vintage bronze handles, which is incorporated, almost disappearing, in this black space. Mirrors were added to the column along the ceiling to reflect surrounding elements and bounce the light from the windows.
On the other side of the entrance is a dining corner, separated by a perforated wooden divider, which was inspired from the 60s era. A custom sofa with hidden storage under the seating is matched with mid-century modern designed table and chairs. A wall full of signatures of famous artists and intellectuals of the 70s to zeros found during the redevelopment works was carefully restored and left in its original form. It acts as a time capsule and makes for an interesting piece of history of the apartment.
The living area is accented by a custom-designed bookcase with additional storage space at the bottom of the cupboards. In front of the bookcase is a compact sofa that doubles as a guest bed. Along the other wall is a custom-designed sofa which was integrated into the bench area and floats out from the wall. The intention behind the design of this sofa was to make the space look bigger by keeping the sofa off the floor. The bedroom maintains all its intimacy surrounded by metal construction filled in with semi-transparent glass. Behind this metal construction is a built-in wardrobe with light panels made of wood and Japanese paper. This combination of translucent materials allows the light from the bedroom window to pass through the apartment.
The kitchen was designed to be the central social hub of the apartment and connects the living room, bedroom and bathroom. The curved kitchen counter wraps around the bedroom's illuminated curved glass wall. The customized cupboards have a handmade metal gold finish, while the countertop is a special construction of handmade terrazzo. The shelves located on the top of the countertop and next to the sink provide extra utility space. The fridge is built into the black wall opposite the cooktop. The bathroom is located in the darkest corner of the apartment behind the kitchen. As there is a lack of natural light, mirrors were used to create depth, while the big slabs of marble in the shower and the floor showcase the natural beauty of the stone. Custom furniture was designed to incorporate the built-in washing machine and keep it out of sight.
A small living space should be functional, ergonomic and versatile according to the needs of the users. The architectural design needs to be smart to make the space not look limited by using appropriate materials, natural or artificial light, to give depth or perspective.
The main challenge for us is to understand the daily needs of our clients, to create a charming environment for them without neglecting attention to detail.
The support of our audience and people like you means the world to us, so we want to welcome you into our world. We're talking behind the scenes content, exclusive access to Never Too Small videos, and the latest Never Too Small news. We're creating a community too, where you and like-minded people can exchange ideas, challenges, creations, and inspirations. Oh, and there will be prizes, along with exclusive interviews with leading talent in the design field, so you can learn how to live small even better. And a live podcast video stream with our friends and special guests. We know you're as passionate about small living and design as we are, so we're offering you a chance to have your say in our content and creative decisions. And if you really want to be all in, you can become one of our limited executive producers with your portrait on our Never Too Small family wall and your name in our episode credits. Welcome to our Patreon page. Your love and support is how and why we do what we do. Never Too Small exists for you and because of you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.